If you're trying to install a app on your laptop and it's showing the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app, you might be experiencing one of these two cases. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to be able to solve the issue. And also consider subscribing to this channel. Also leave the video a like by the end of the video if you find it helpful. And let's get started. Start by going to your settings. Head over to apps and click on it. Click on apps and features. So we have to change where to get our apps, and as you can see, the recommended setting is the Microsoft Store only. So select anywhere, and this should have solved your problem. But let's continue to case number 2. Now head over to System, scroll until you can find Activation. Now I'm currently not experiencing the issue, but let me give you a step you can use to fix it in case you're experiencing it. So you should be able to see something like Windows 11 Pro in S mode. If that's the case, you should be able to see Open Store. And if you're seeing Open Store, go ahead and click on it. And when you click on it, you see an interface where you can find a Get button, just like the illustration you're seeing on screen. Once you go ahead and click on the Get button, your issue should take a moment and be solved. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, consider subscribing to this channel. Also smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.